Hi, I'm Jack Phillips, and I'm one of the people that will be answering the phone when you call 24hourlawyer.com. Today's subject is what to do when you receive a summons in the mail. The summons, a notice that someone is suing you in a court of law. The summons is one of the most dreaded and feared documents that will ever be put in your hands. Even if you're completely innocent, even if you're in the right, and you have no doubt about that, in the middle of the night, you will be tossing and turning at some point, wondering if something could go wrong and you'll lose your case. What should you do? The first thing you should do is look on the paper and see when the court requires you to file an answer. And mark that deadline on your calendar. If you don't file an answer in time, your opponent will file a motion for default, and then you lose. You don't then even have an opportunity to tell your story or to present evidence. The next question you'll have is, how do I file an answer? You can find that information on the internet, but it's very important that you tell your story and refute all of the claims made by the other person. The third thing you're going to need is a legal strategy. And whether you represent yourself or not, you still will need someone to help you with a plan for executing your case. Defending a court case is a time of high stress, but if you have a good legal strategy, that will serve as a roadmap to guide you and keep you on the right track. Don't be intimidated by what they say or what they do. The most important thing you need to do is have your plan on paper so that if you ever are intimidated or confused, you can just look at the paper and say, I'm going the right direction. And if you're tossing and turning in the middle of the night, we'll be awake, and there's nothing that we care more about than helping you with your problem. So pick up your phone and call the number on the screen below.